Next chief guest for the day is Ms. Pallavi Saluja. Ms. Pallavi is the editor-in-chief at Bar and Bench. She's been writing extensively about the Indian legal market since 2011. Her work spans breaking news and analysis pertaining to the world of law firms and in-house legal departments, court stories from the Supreme Court and the High Courts, and interviews with who's of the who of the legal profession in India. Ms. Pallavi and her team were one of the first to bring live tweeting from the Supreme Court and High Courts of India. Ms. Pallavi graduated from ILS Law College, Pune with LLB Honors and also holds an LLM from Delhi University. In 2016, she was listed by Asia Law Portal as one of the 30 people to watch in the business of law. At Bar and Bench, she leads an editorial team across English, Hindi, and Kannada news channels. Few words from you, ma'am.
Justice Mary, Justice Bhatkar, Justice Vimla, and other esteemed guests, good evening. First of all, thank you to Mr. Prabhakaran for inviting me. And it's great to see the work that you're doing. And coming from Delhi, Chennai is a rare place that we end up coming. So it's good to see. And I've never seen so much diversity, inclusivity in one room, considering I've attended a lot of law firm events. So it gives a great feeling. And when Mr. Prabhakaran called, he said that we are celebrating Women's Day and it would be great if you can attend. Considering I've been covering Bar and Bench for now, reporting at Bar and Bench for now 14 years. So I have seen the growth of women in the profession. Although the numbers have increased, but it's still, we have about 108 women judges in our high courts, from about 800 judges. But there's always hope because the number of girls entering law schools is almost equal to boys, or sometimes maybe more. The district judiciary has more women entering now, and Kerala is leading in that with 70% of them being women. I'm going to keep it short, and the two stories that I wanted to narrate while covering for Bar and Bench is one, there are these women lawyers in Nilgiri region of south of India who were, I think, appearing in courts for about 2 decades. And they were still struggling to get toilets, women toilets, and remember, it's a male-dominated profession. So we brought out that story, and National Commission for Women took note of that. Supreme Court took suo motu cognizance. And finally, they got what they were asking for, which we all know is very basic, right? So women are still fighting for those basics. There's another story I remember from Patna. There was a judge's daughter who was dating or seeing some lawyer from another caste. So he had kept her in confinement, and finally we got to know about the story, and the Patna High Court Chief Justice took suo motu and got the daughter released. So what I'm trying to tell you is women are still struggling, but of course there's been progress in the last 14, 15 years, and we are here to report all of that. And it's amazing to see all the awardees here. And thank you again to Mr. Prabhakaran for giving this opportunity. Thank you.